Walang sinong makakaagaw sa trono ko, akin na to. Tinitira ko kalaban, tinitira mo lagi ba to? Wala nang naniniwala sa'yo dito, putang ina mo. Sa lahat ng sinabi mo, masasabi ko arigato.
I mean, it's crazy. We finish each other's
sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna say.
I've never met someone who thinks so much like me. Jinx! Jinx again!
I'm going to Chipotle. You want anything?
Yeah!
How about Starbucks?
Yeah!
I'll just get both.
Yeah!
Return to the Mac, get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Get up, first shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Bad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse.
Oh my God!
If I show you I can bust a move, will you try to fly then?
Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? I'm sorry.
Hey girl, what's your name?
My name is Jessica Vanessa Nanita Renee Bianca Juana Banana Plátano